Good morning. It's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and we're back to work on some journal cards. Oops, I inked right there. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so these journal cards are going to go into some of those triangular pockets or angular pockets, whichever one you want to call it. I did decorate up the other two pieces that I left you off with yesterday, and I'll show those to you in just a moment when I get these little cards ready to go in their little slot. Leaving just a little bit of an edge right there, just for kind of an added interest, really. It's not really doing anything for it other than just adding just a little bit. I'm going to put this one over here. Did I ever tell you what packet of paper this was? I don't know if I did. Hang on and I will tell you. It's either a Hobby Lobby or a Joann. I don't think it's a Michaels. So just a second, my dears, and I will let you know. The Paper Studio. So that must be Hobby Lobby. And it is textile floral. That is what I'm using in this for this journal kit. I don't think I've been using any other brand. I think it's just this, because everything kind of coordinates together, so that really helps. You get, if you buy it on sale, it's a lot better price. So, and these are, I think they're my porch prints. I think they are. I'm not sure, but I think they are my porch prints. I had them marked, and I don't know what happened to the little paper, but I lost it. Probably ended up getting swept off the desk with some garbage, because it was just a little piece. But, yeah, I have two different sets of birds here. Some large and some that are a little bit smaller, like this one. So this could be a different maker, creator. But we'll figure that out. Okay, I need to blue this one up a little bit. Not blow it up, but blue it up. Because I'm just kind of making them blue. Because I just thought it would look pretty. With the bluish papers and everything. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe I'm getting too blue. She's too blue. Oh no. She's feeling blue. My dog was feeling blue last night. She, I've told you this, I'm sure, so many times, but it's just kind of funny in a way, but it's not because it's so serious. But she is terrified of flies and bugs, butterflies, moths, the whole 9 yards. If it flies and it flutters or it makes a noise, or if it's even silent. Birds don't scare her, but she can see those, really well, and she knows they're not going to sting her. But when it's a little insect, she is terrified, absolutely terrified. Poor girl. So her mommy had to work at killing a couple little flies that had gotten in the house yesterday. You know, when dogs go in and out, the door opens. Those darn little flies, they are so tiny. They just fly right in. And then she freaks out until I can finally kill them, you know. And some of them were teeny tiny baby flies. And, oh my gosh. You have to get right with just the right weight magazine, or to have a fly swatter, which I can't find my fly swatter. And aren't those beautiful? It's so simple. It's just a torn piece of paper on another card and then a bird on there. And it is absolutely stunning. Doesn't it surprise you how things turn out? I mean, it's just wonderful. And these are 4 inches by 6 inches. 4 by 6 journal cards. Now, let's do something with the back, because we have this pretty blue paper. So we're going to flip this over like this. Oh, that's a prettier rainbowy side, isn't it? Oh, it's the same over there. So it doesn't really matter. Okay. Going to put glue on here. I don't know what'll happen, if the glue will bleed through the color or delete the color. I don't really know. But we're going to find out. Oh. And there. I flip it over. Okay, there's one. Now let's put this one over here. Oops, over here. And we'll have that pretty blue that you can write on back there. Oh yeah. What condition my condition is in. There, oh, that just feels nice to rub them. That feels good. Yes. Oh, I love it. I really do. I really love how these are turning out. This whole packet is absolutely beautiful. I gotta remember to save some of the pieces that I'm using to make a cover piece or two, so there's options or ideas anyway. I don't know whether to make a cover piece or just throw in the pieces to make a cover, for the new owner to make a cover piece. Cut that one a little crooked. I can tell that by looking at it. All right, let's go around them with some ink. I think probably I want to curve or give a little clip to the corners maybe. These are just a journal card, so we don't really need to do a lot to them, but I think they'll look more finished if I do something to the corners. So let me get a corner thing. Do 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 do. How about this? Ooh, sometimes if it's too thick with paper, it won't go in there. Oh, but it worked. I like that. That looks cool. Oh yeah, I like that. Adieu. I bid you adieu. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. So that one looks like that. So I'm going to do this one like this. Oh yeah, I like that too. Just kind of a little different angle. That stuff goes everywhere when you hold it upside down like that. But it's nice the pieces pop out and kind of go somewhere. There, look at that. Isn't that adorable? So if you remember right, we made, where are they? We made these yesterday. That's the belly bands. I set them right over there. But we made these to go here and here. That was yesterday's, and then we picked out a few things to throw in there. I do have some extra cards that could go in there. I've kind of set them there, but we did pick out these little postcards and little positivity cards. I love the little positivities. They're kind of a feel-good card, you know. Like everything is love and do everything with love. Bloom where you were planted. Every little moment counts. I love those little positive notes that you can reassure yourself with every day. But then we had those extra little pieces, the triangles. I said we could make up here if we wanted. Well, I made lower corner ones. Anyway. Okay, put those with the belly bands. So here are the cards that will go with those. I hope that they'll fit in here. Now, these will just be glued here and here, so it will be open right there. So I don't know if that will hold it good enough. We might have to put these in the other one. Because that might be too big for those. So let's just have a quick look. And we'll see right away that these will probably fit a little bit better and much nicer. Here and here. So it's a little bit of a game plan, trying to figure things out, what works, what doesn't. So there is that way or the other way. And then we have this one. Now this will actually hold these in a little bit better. It would still just be glued on 2 lines, but the length here helps hold the card in better. You see, just like so. Oh, how adorable. So that works, don't you think? Yes, I think that works really well. So we have those, and then switching gears, we have these that we made, and they will go on another piece. Let's see if I can bring all these in here. So we have these. So, you know, there's lots of things we can do. Like so. Yeah. So anyway, that is what I came up with for these little guys today. And I hope that you'll get out your paper and start whacking away and make something fun. I've been in here several times today to make things. I do love the light blue paper back there with the kind of rainbowish colors going through it. I absolutely love how those turned out. It's very pretty. Well worth the time. And the heat of the day, oh my gosh, that was so hot. I wanted to tie-dye this weekend, but it's just too hot. Okay, so that's what I have for today. I appreciate you joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and become a subscriber if you haven't already. I have over 5,000 videos, I think. Is it 1,000? Maybe it's 1,000 videos. I don't know. I'll have to go look and see how many thousands I got. Anyway, I have a lot of videos and a lot to go through. I've been doing this for years, and gosh, you know, I need to get my numbers up. So, yeah. So, become a subscriber. I'd appreciate it, and it helps me. Helps me to continue to do this if I get more subscribers. So, yeah. Okay, well, there we go. I think these are beautiful. I love them. I love putting the birds on them. I think that is so beautiful. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.